Hi guys, I'm telling you how to make slime. The slime will be like that. Okay, so first you're gonna need a style shampoo, and you're gonna need some borax. And you're gonna need a plate or something to put the slime. And I'm gonna bring in a toothpick to mix them. So first you're gonna put the shampoo. Oh my gosh. And I'm gonna bring the toothpick and mix them together. So I'm putting a little bit of borax to let these ingredients make a slime. Borax is an important thing in slime. So yeah, like that.
Like that.
It's really good. You can play with it. But I can
Look at Ali.
Look, it's looked like that. So I'm gonna mix them together. I will make it big. I'm gonna put more than borax.
Oh, it's very nice.
Yes, I know.
Look at this.
This is so nice. I like it.
This
I use
slime.
my hands to bring the borax out. Oh my gosh. Ew. So this is the best way how to make slime, and with 2 ingredients, they're really easy. And please like and subscribe the video if you like them. Bye.
Goodbye.